In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox to your HubSpot portal and CRM. First, sign into your HubSpot account and land on the main home screen. From here, open your settings by clicking the gear icon, typically found in the top navigation. Settings is where you control personal preferences and connect tools that HubSpot can use on your behalf, like your email. In the left sidebar, look for the email section under your user preferences. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions from your admin. Inside email settings, choose Connect Personal Email. This option links your individual inbox so you can send, receive, and automatically log emails to contacts right from HubSpot. Next, click Connect Your Inbox. You'll be asked for the email address you want to connect. Type the address exactly as it's used with your provider. This ensures HubSpot offers the correct connection method. When you're ready, click Next. On the provider screen, select Connect to Gmail. HubSpot supports multiple providers, but in this walkthrough we'll use Gmail. A new window will prompt you to connect your Google account to HubSpot CRM. Click the button to proceed. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily for HubSpot so the authorization window can open smoothly. You'll see a permissions screen explaining what HubSpot will be able to do, such as read and send email on your behalf. These permissions are necessary for logging threads, tracking replies, and sending emails from the CRM. Click Continue to move forward. If you use multiple Google accounts, choose the specific account you want connected to HubSpot. Double-check you're picking the correct one, especially if you work across personal and work profiles. After selecting your account, click Continue again to confirm. You'll be shown a consent summary, review it, then click Continue one more time to finalize the connection. That's it. Your Gmail inbox is now connected to HubSpot. Back in HubSpot, you should see a confirmation, and new emails you send from HubSpot or your connected inbox can be logged to contact records, making it easier to track conversations, schedule follow-ups, and keep your team aligned. If you run into issues, make sure you're authorized to connect your email, confirm you're signed into the right Google account, and check for any pop-up blockers or security policies that might need admin approval. If you work with a team inbox, consider setting up a shared inbox in conversations instead of a personal connection. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.